How to grow a fitness channel in the 2019 competitive world. What's up everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and I'm a full-time YouTuber myself. I make educational videos on this channel and I'm ready to help you. So let's start. The first thing I always recommend everyone to do, analyze your competition. Write them down. Who is your competition? How many people are making the content you want to make or that you are actually making? What kind of content they make? Abs exercising, butt exercising for women, yoga, I don't know what kind of fitness channel they have. Now, what exercise they didn't make video on? This is also really important. What tips and tricks they use in their videos, what editing style they do. This is what you need to get. How they talk, what they talk about actually. You need to learn this from them. You need to be better than them. But most important, you need to be yourself while doing your videos. That's the core of all of it, because people are not going to follow for the advice you give, they are going to follow you for you. It's strange that people can sense if you like something, if you love something, and then they will subscribe. It's really crazy to me. Now, when you analyze their competition and you know what kind of content you want to make, we are going to move on. Why is it good to make evergreen content, the fitness content? Because 3-4 years later, people can still watch your videos. They are still valuable. It's not like if I'm going to make a video about the tournament, no one is going to watch it 5 years later. This is different. Also, you can earn a good money from making fitness channel. And now, fitness videos. What you need to understand, speed is better than perfection. What I recommend, make as many videos as you can. Like, it's so damn important. And now the 3 things which matter the most, the 3 pedestals on YouTube. The first one is watch time. You need to have high watch time. When people come to your video and you have 1 minute, 2 minute watch time, it's not going to work. People are going to leave. And then YouTube is not going to recommend your content. The second thing is a click-through rate, CTR. Click-through rate means when you have a thumbnails on YouTube, and if a person clicks on your thumbnail, your CTR increases, and if he clicks on a different video, your competitors will increase CTR. The higher CTR you have, the more YouTube will support your content. YouTube will recommend your content to the future. Now, and the last thing, if a person who watches your video stays on YouTube or no, if a person comes and watches how to, I don't know, get abs, how to have a better stomach, what he's going to do, he's going to watch more videos on your channel, then YouTube will recommend your channel also, because right now on one person you get like 30-minute watch time thanks to you, and YouTube likes that. Marketing. You need to find subreddits on Reddit focused on exercising, yoga, fitness, I don't know, workout on street. Then you need to find Facebook groups in which people are exercising. It's really easy. And then forums. Find forums where they talk about exercising, and need to join these communities. You need to talk about it. Then talk about the best protein on the market, best gainer in the market, best vitamins for fitness, best, I don't know, shake you can do for when you want to run and then exercise. There is so many possibilities, but just focus on the creating. Don't overanalyze stuff. Just make videos. And people will give you feedback and you will improve continually. And again, be patient and work hard. Success will come. If you want to do fitness videos, you know it yourself. I'm a swimmer. For 7 years, I've been swimming. And I know that the first year I was swimming, I was really bad. Like I was so damn bad when I started swimming. But right now, after 7 years, I go swim like 3 times per week. I swim in 1 hour about 2.5 kilometers or even 3. And I love it. And this is how YouTube works. The first year is going to suck. Like, every master was an amateur in the beginning. That's right. So thank you very much, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, write me in a comment your channel and I will try to give you feedback. And that's it. Thank you all and goodbye.